So welcome to School Up. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make banana nut muffins with only 5 easy steps. Doesn't take that much effort or work. It's pretty simple. Just an easier way to make banana nut muffins than you may have heard of before. So the first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. For the next step, you're going to need to gather your ingredients. You're going to need 4 ripe bananas, 2 cups of brown sugar, a half a cup of chopped pecans, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 sticks of butter, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You're going to get a large bowl and put the flour, baking soda, and salt in it. In a separate bowl, peel the bananas and mash them together for around 3 minutes. Next, melt the butter and then add the rest of the ingredients to the bowl with the bananas in it. Next, you are going to mix all the ingredients together. Next, put the muffins into the oven. Next step, you're going to take the muffins out of the oven when they are done. They turned out great.